Hi guys, welcome to your daily douche. Guys, please watch this whole video so you don't miss an exciting special announcement at the end. First guys, I got invited. I didn't get invited, but you don't know that, and I can say I got invited to ride the new Splash Mountain ride that was better before they made it all. Well, you know, my dad said I could ride it once since I have a channel about Disney, and we might make some money off those people, and that's it, no more. So basically the big change is brown logs come out of a dark hole and fall into dirty brown water. If you know, you know. Anyway, guys, as you know, I love balls, love to get them into my hands. They just bring me such joy. So no wonder when I'm with my ex roommate and we find a place with squishy balls, I can get my hands on them and then throw them at other people while I get them to pay so we can play baby. I found out like quickly that I'm good at the dodgeballs. I didn't know they were called that, but they've always been in my face, and I've learned a lot over the years. Like a lot, guys, is how to keep them away from my face, because they like get in the way, and you have to be able to avoid them so you can do what you promised. And this game was great practice, over and over, balls coming, and I have to stop them from hitting me in the face. And talk about being in a sticky situation. They kept coming and coming, and I had to keep moving left to right and right to left to keep them from busting on my face. So exciting. Guys, love this ball play. And there were so many guys coming after me, and I had to beat them all off. And everywhere, all over, I was beating them off to the left and beating them off to the right. And it was just like constant. But I know from experience, if you don't put up a fight, you just end up on your knees. And also, guys, as these balls all surrounding me and trying to hit me in the face over and over was a miracle. A miracle, guys, because even with my broken back and my ankle losing halitosis condition, a condition so horrible I was unable to help my elderly mother carry boxes up a short flight of stairs when we moved into her apartment house. The most I could do was set up my gaming console and play Call of Duty while everyone else worked. But these balls are a miracle. I was able to be like Thanos and like order these balls to depart from my face and like hit other people. And I stood there so proud, guys, as I'll enjoy a whole month of being proud that I can control all these balls and make them come when I command, or slap them off when I am not in the mood to deal with their constant attack on my face. I was so proud of myself for being a winner, and so worked up that I went back to my ex's roommate's room and played with a toy that he bought for me, because it's totally normal for two 30-year-old men to share a cabin on a cruise ship and then go to some foreign land and buy each other Disney toys. Happens every day. Every day. So stop being haters. You're jealous. Just jealousness. I'm a winner, guys. Everyone knows it. My ex roommate knows it, because I gave him a good ball slapping in the face. Any man I play with knows it. I control all balls. I've had so many in my hands over the years that I have the edge, and I can use this edge to control these balls and make them submit to my will. Like I'm a Jedi, I'm anal kin ball edger. The exciting special announcement, guys, my grandfather died. I was cruising at the time and just partied and drank and gambled, then came home and had just a great time watching a bad drone show at Disney Springs, and was screaming and yelling and drinking. And then I finally decided to go home for a couple of days because it was on my way to Chicago anyway. So I slotted the old guy in. I know he'd be proud of me and proud that I'll make some money off his death Wish I could actually cry about it, but all I see are dollar signs. Thanks, Grandpa. Okay, bye.